Bakit mahalaga para sa iyo ang assurance?
It's just nice to hear from someone na it's all going to be okay, especially from someone who you're very close. Just a little bit of assurance.
Ano na rin sabihin sa'yo. Obviously, gusto kita. Yun pa lang, for me, super hirap na yun gawin. Na sabihin out loud.
Yeah. And thank you kasi sinabi mo yan, yung nafe-feel mo.
Gumaan yung pakiramdam ko, kuya, kasi malaman niya at maging clear yung intentions ko sa kanya.
I know I'm friends with Dustin, pero September to October, nakilala natin isa't isa talaga. The support you gave me 2 years ago, never ko makakalimutan.
Tagal na nun.
Hindi biro yun, ha?
You don't know what to say. I'm just listening to you. Pero ako, grateful ako na open up mo yun ngayon. Because I never got to hear those words from you for the past 2 years. Masaya po ako pag kasama ko po siya. I feel so safe when I'm with him.
Gusto na kita maging gusto na kita maging...
Bakit
I know, pero gusto ko maging happy ka. Like, ano yung gusto mong gawin.
What if gusto ko lang talaga na ipaglaban mo?
Totoo to, Kira. Alam mo yan. Alam mo yan.
No, I don't actually. So why would you want to choose Bianca to be your last duo kung hindi talaga for the love team?
Kasi gusto ko siya.
Why?
Gusto ko siya.
That's it?
Gusto ko siya. Hindi namin kailangan i-explain kung ano meron sa amin.
Okay si Dustin. Hindi malakas yun.
Oo naman. Hindi po ako mapakali. Alam niyo, kuya, I wanted to do something and yet at the same time, I can't.
No, what if, alam niya, and so if it is, what if we find strength within each other? Mali ba yun?
Na meron magpaparealize sa akin na huwag ako matakot. Which is, yan, si Bianca.
Or coming in, sobrang hirap na hirap ako tanggapin yung sarili ko for who I was. And kahit hindi pa kami magkaduo ni Dustin, pakiramdam ko na he was my partner. And apakalaking tulong po talaga ni Dustin nun. Kasi kilala ko yung sarili ko, but he was really there all throughout and was really keeping me steady, keeping my feet on the ground.
Gets ko naman din na kanya-kanya sila ng mga biases or gusto and wala akong problema doon. Naiintindihan ko yun. So, ang masasabi ko lang siguro, take it easy lang rin, lalo na kay Bianca. Because,
Hirap at ginhawa. Naging ako actually every time we think about it. Mas naging close talaga kami yung dalawa. You know, we went through a lot together. Talagang hirap at ginhawa.
Hindi lang yung love team talaga eh. Pero sa amin talaga, na-build talaga siya from scratch. So super happy talaga ako pagkasama ko siya.